Hello and welcome to the Plan 3D video blog series Plan 3D with Experts. My name is Ben Gerstenberger. I'm a Principal Technical Support Specialist and the Escalation Lead for AutoCAD Plan 3D. Today's topic is the new features in AutoCAD Plan 3D 2027. We have several new features to present, which will be covered in separate videos. In this video, I want to present some improvements for isometric drawings. These are the two isometric improvements we will cover in this session. First, ISO sheet collection. A significant workflow change that consolidates how ISO sheets are stored per line. Second, the PCF to ISO trace-on property, which addresses a compatibility issue with third-party PCF files. Both features target common pain points in production isometric workflows, so let's dig into each one. Let's start with ISO sheet collection. In 2026 and earlier, every isometric sheet generated its own separate DWG file. If you had a line with 5 sheets, that meant 5 individual files to manage. Starting in 2027, there's a new option to create one DWG per line number, where each ISO sheet becomes a separate layout tab within that single file. This applies across production ISO, quick ISO, and PCF to ISO workflows. You can configure it in each of those dialogs, as well as in the project setup under ISO style default settings. For new projects, the default is per line, so you get this behavior automatically. Existing projects stay on per sheet to avoid breaking your current file structure. The real benefit here is fewer files cluttering your project folder and a more logical organization where everything for one line lives in one place. Here you can see the actual results where ISO sheet collection is configured. On the left is how it looks like in the Model tab, and on the right you can see how the resulting layouts appear in the drawing. Notice that each layout tab corresponds to a separate ISO sheet for the same line number. So instead of opening multiple files, you just switch tabs. This is particularly useful when reviewing or printing a complete set of isometrics for a given pipeline. Let us take a look at how this works. In the production ISO dialog, I select two line numbers. Note on the right, the new selection list, which is set to per line, contains all ISO sheets. The second option would be per sheet, which corresponds to the setting for the old behavior. However, I want to use the new behavior, so let's select per line. The isometric drawing is created. Note that for every line number, one single ISO sheet is created. Let us open the first one. We are now on the Model tab. Both ISO sheets are visible side by side. On the Model tab, you have an overview of all ISO sheets created for this line number. Additionally, you have two layout tabs named after ISO sheets. When you click on them, you will get the normal ISO sheet appearance, but not saved as a separate file, but just as an additional tab of your isometric drawing. Let us create another ISO, but this time we will select per sheet to show you the old behavior used up to version 2026. You will now get two separate isometric drawings for this line number, one file for each sheet. Now let's look at the PCF to ISO tracing property update. When you import PCF files generated by a third-party application, they may use tracing on with a space as a property value. Previously, Plan 3D only recognized tracing on with a hyphen, which is still the official standard for PCFs generated natively. The 2027 release now correctly interprets both formats, so tracing lines display properly in your isometric output regardless of a PCF source. Keep in mind that Plan 3D's own PCF export still writes tracing on with a hyphen. This change is specifically about reading PCFs from external tools. So this was about improvements for isometric drawings. I hope it is useful for you. And this is what I want to present in this part of a series about new features of AutoCAD Plan 3D in 2027 today. Thank you for your time today and goodbye.